Betty Bonzu, monologue, I Can Win. I am tired of him. I mean, can you believe it? I cannot believe he insulted me that way. I'm the adult here. I am lost of words. I mean, I cannot believe our daughter chose to date that animal. I told our daughter, do not date Germans. But did she listen? No, she kept on. When my mom told me, do not date Germans, I listened. I mean, if my mom tells me, do not jump in front of a train, I don't jump in front of a train. I listen and I obey, but not my daughter. She keeps rebelling and rebelling and rebelling. You know, I cannot believe that I raised that daughter. I mean, I did everything for her, but did it matter? No. When she met this man, she just started disrespecting and not listening. At least I have another daughter. I don't have to worry about her. She's just perfect. She listens all the time. She's my perfect little girl.